answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't come.
Crazy. What are you doing over there? Hiding. Come on. No, not over there. You crazy. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. When a dog barks at her, she don't care about when the dog don't bark. She acts crazy. Like a fool. Come on. Let's go.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
Hey guys, so this here is the cauliflower. I kind of like mashed it up and put some jalapeno. I kind of made it, I fried it a little longer, but try it guys, it's so good. I put butter and I put some oil at the beginning and some butter, and I smashed it up while I was cooking it. It's really good. Don't forget the jalapenos. Something great for my jeans. It's supposed to be for shoes, but it works great for the jeans because then it takes less room out of my closet. You see that? Next to Pooh Air, so the AC just blows right there. Hi Pooh Bear. Hey guys, so me and Keanu was our pizza day today, so we decided to make pizza. Keanu used a regular crust, and you know me, I wanted to try to make mine low carb, but it didn't work out well, so take a look.
In your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.
The air fryer always blows everything all over the place. So when I did use the carb tortilla, it was really soft, so I didn't really like it. So I should have just used the regular pizza crust. It would have been better.
Yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.
This one looks really good. It's better than mine. So I just made it into like a burrito. But that looks really good. Look at it. So I would rather eat this one. I think using the tortilla wasn't the greatest in the air fryer, but if maybe in the oven might have come more crispy. But I would rather eat this one.
Sharing with you guys some of our poke. This is the imitation crab. This is the kimchi imitation crab. And that is just like a kimchi shrimp. It's so, oh no, it tastes so good, guys. No, we didn't eat the pizza with this, but later on I had those snacks.